custom fabrication solutions. This custom-made drive spindle extension. This little piece goes inside. So you can take this puppy apart. Threaded end here through the cable drum, and then this end right here is split open so that this can spread out when you tighten this bolt here. So have it just in there enough so that you can get this guy in there, the crank handle, and then once you do that you can tighten her up into place here. That's when you can put all your little accessories on. There's a flat head on each one of these 1/4" screws. This was a little spreader bolt that JC made, and this is made out of a bolt similar to like this. It was just obviously flattened down to get that conical shape, so that when you tightened it here, it spread each little ear of the square piece to tighten into the drive spindle. So this is made out of a 1/2" by 1/2" piece of square stock, and then turned on the lathe, obviously here. Drive spindle extension. It's just made out of a piece of flat stock here, so that end can clamp down to the frame tubes. Then this is just a piece of 2x4 and some 1/4" screws, about 4 inches long, and that's it. So it's very basic. So yeah, that's a pretty badass little accessory that was custom made for the Router Crafter by JC.
I told the factory one was going to be a lot better than the one I made before, but
It wasn't. So you ended up making.
After that, I sold the one like this one and made the one I have now.
So like almost reverse engineered. You just bought one to reverse engineer it and sold it right away.
Bigger sizes and more features with this thing, with the chuck, to put a lot of things in the chuck.
Mm. So in some ways it's better to make your own, basically.
Yes.
But it's good to have something to work off of, or a template. One guy mentioned in one of the comments, he's had 2 of those before in his life, but never learned how to use it. So it just goes to show, you know.
If you don't know or nobody tells you how to use it, it's very hard to find out what is this thing for. And if it doesn't have the router already installed, shit, you don't know what it is. With the router installed, you
get an idea.
Yes, get an idea. But without the router, you don't know what the hell is going to be here. Yeah, once the router is installed, you almost figure out.